Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Chatbot AI Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We search for Chatbot AI Nova, and then you will update your app if you find update here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for watching.